Merck is a research-based biopharmaceutical company. We do research for human medicine to make lives better and save lives. Merck is one of the first companies to adopt Gen AI, and particularly the manufacturing division built this capability, and the analytic tools around it are based on the Amazon S3 and the Redshift tools. We are using this capability to abstract all of that and look at data and really contextualize it to make sense out of it, so we can have an end-to-end value chain visibility of our processes. In the past, we used to have a rejection rate which was very, very high. But by using technology, we were able to save more than 80% of those false rejects. Our investigations used to take days, weeks, months. Now we can do them in minutes, sometimes even in seconds, because of that converged capability, end-to-end capability AWS provides us, from hosting to analytical capabilities and anything in between. It's a very multifaceted benefit for our patient to move molecules from early discovery through the development phase and to filing and to production. So we're able to shrink that. So that means faster access to these life-saving drugs to our patients. We're able to make decisions and in a very informed and timely manner, so we can assure the delivery of our products as promised.